Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Salt and Chili King Prawns. We're going to start this off by deveining the king prawns. Quite a disgusting process. Actually, we're going to skip that because it'll put you off king prawns for life. It'll completely turn your stomach. Disgusting. So once your king prawns are deveined, put them into a bowl and we need a tiny drizzle of egg, just enough to coat the king prawns so the cornflour will stick to them. Just give the king prawns a good mix around, make sure they're fully coated in the egg. And once you have that done, take the king prawns out and place them into cornflour like this. This is so easy to make at home. All you need is king prawns, cornflour, peppers, onions, spring onions, garlic, and some seasoning powder. Coat your king prawns like this and put them into a deep fat fryer. You want to fry these for 2 minutes. You'll know when they're done because they'll float to the top like this. Once they're done, take the king prawns out and drain them. To a smoking hot wok, add some vegetable oil, your red peppers, your white onions, some minced garlic. This is about 1 clove of minced garlic. You're only going to have to cook these for 2 minutes at the very most until the onions turn slightly brown in colour. And then you're ready to go in with your king prawns that you've just prepared earlier. There they are. So give them a toss. To finish off this recipe, add some chili flakes, some Shaoxing Wine, some salt and chili mix seasoning powder. I'll add everything in the description box below the full recipe so you know how and where to buy this stuff. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. A bit more salt and chili seasoning. I really like that stuff. This stuff is beautiful. You can order this online. And some spring onions. And there you go. Lovely jubbly. Oh, this is one of my favorite things. I'm going to have this for lunch now. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you again maybe tomorrow. Bye.